Welcome to Mathenatic. We are busy revising content for paper 1 for your final exams. In this video, we'll focus on the basics around the quadratic number pattern. So for the quadratic number pattern, you need to know that Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. Now this equation is not on your formula sheet. One of the key features of a quadratic number pattern is that the second difference is constant. Now, what that means is, if I have a pattern with term 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, that our first line here represents our first differences. So that means term 2 minus term 1, that's the first difference. Then term 3 minus term 2, that's the second value in our line of first differences. But to get to the second difference, I need to take term 3 minus term 2 and subtract term 2 minus term 1 from that. That is now our second differences. Now all of these values in this line would be consistent for a quadratic number pattern. Another feature of a quadratic number pattern is that the first term, or T1, can be represented by a plus b plus c. Now, can you see if I take Tn and I replace n with 1, which is the first term, then I have a times 1 squared plus b times 1 plus c. And that simplifies to a plus b plus c. So that is my first term. The first term in the first differences would be equals to 3a plus b, and the constant differences would be equal to 2a. Now that is some of the basic information that we need to keep in mind when working with quadratic number patterns. In the next video, we'll work through an example based on this topic. Thank you for watching. Remember to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to Mathenatic.